Welcome to CAT with Clarity. Today we are going to discuss a bar graph DI for CAT 2026. Most CAT students think DI is calculation heavy and time consuming. But the truth is, bar graph questions are actually some of the easiest marks in the exam if you know how to look at them correctly. In this video, I'll show you how to read the bar graphs fast, solve questions without heavy calculation, and avoid the mistake 90% students make. Let's get started. What is a bar graph? Bar graph is a visual way to represent data. Each bar shows a value, and your job is not to calculate everything. Your job is to compare smartly. So instead of thinking like a calculator, start thinking like an observer. Now, there are three types of bar graph. First is simple bar graph. There is just one variable here. It is sales and year. So year is 2018, 19, 20, 21, and sales is given as 60, 80, 75, and 90. Next is double bar graph. In this, there are two variables. There is comparison between two things. Here it is column A and column B. Year wise, there is comparison, product comparison. Third is stacked bar graph. There is total. There are three subjects: science, commerce, arts, and marks are given for the 4 years 2021, 22, 23. So these are three types of bar graph. The core idea is the same: comparison. Now, how to approach DI? Here's where most students go wrong. They start calculating everything: exact values, percentages, totals. That's a trap. CAT is not testing calculation, it's testing decision making. So instead, use approximation, use ratios, focus on bigger versus smaller. Common mistakes: over calculation, ignoring visual cues, not using ratios, panic in exam. Avoid these and you'll fetch easy marks. So now look at the first data set. This is a previous year CAT question which we are going to solve. So here is the bar graph. There are 5 years: 2018, 19, 20, 21, 22, and the sales of a company is given in rupees lakhs. So in 2018 it is 60, in 2019 it is 80, in 2020 it's 75, in 2021 it's 90, in 2022 it's 120. So now let's solve questions based on this. Which year had the highest sales? Now here you have to do nothing but just look at the graph and look at the tallest bar. It's in 2022, which is 120. That is what I call a free mark question. Next question. What now? Let's increase the level. It's a moderate difficulty question. What is the percentage increase in sales from 2018 to 22? Again, we'll identify values from the bar graph. So 2018 it is 60, and in 2022 it's 120. So what is the difference? 60. So percentage increase is how much? 60 by 60 into 100. Answer is 100%. Use simple logic. Now think, if something doubles from 60 to 120, that's a 100% increase. No need for heavy formula use. Next question. Now slightly calculation based question. Find average sales across the years. So average sales, what we'll do, we'll look at the bar graph, take all the values, and since there are 5 years, we'll divide the sum by 5. So the values are 60, 80, 75, 90, 120. We total it, we get 425. 425 divided by 5, 85. But even here you can approximate quickly if needed. Yes, speed tricks. Let me give you three powerful tricks. Trick 1: approximation beats accuracy. You don't need perfect answers, just close ones. Trick 2: think in ratios. 80 versus 120. Think 2 is to 3 instead of calculating. Trick 3: compare visually first. Don't jump into calculations immediately. In the actual CAT exam, not every DI set is worth solving. Pick easy set first. Spend around 6 to 8 minutes per set. Smart selection matters more than solving everything. So in this, we learned that bar graph is a comparison game. We should focus on logic, not math. And the main trick here is to practice consistently. If you understood this properly, your fear of DI should already be going down. In the next video, I'll cover pie chart DI, which is even more scoring if you know the right tricks. So make sure you subscribe and stay consistent. And if this video helped you, share it with someone preparing for CAT. See you in the next one. Also, you can find the link for my Telegram channel in the description. Thank you.